How to send audio file on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily send an audio file on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Instagram. And once you open it up, all you have to basically do is click on the message icon at the top right corner. Now you'll get to your messages. Now just go ahead and tap on the person where you want to send your audio file. If you tap on this microphone icon, you're only going to be able to record your voice and send it. There is no option to upload an audio file. Even if I tap on this gallery icon over here, I'm not able to send any audio file. I'm only able to send videos and photos. And if I tap on this plus icon, here I can only send my live location and saved replies. Now, in order to be able to send an audio file, you're going to have to use Google Drive. Simply go ahead and open up Google Drive on your phone. Now what I'm going to do here is create a new folder for audio file. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. I'll just go ahead and tap on it. And then create a folder. Tap on folder. I'll just name this audio for now. And then hit create. Once the folder has been created, you could go ahead and open up the folder, tap the plus icon, tap on upload. Now I'll just go over to this audio option. And here I have selected an audio file. I'll just tap on upload at the top right corner and it will start uploading. Now once the upload is complete, what you basically can do is tap on the three dots at the top right and share this folder. Tap on share. Then you can add people. Click on manage access. And then from here, from this not shared option, you can change this restricted. Tap on change. And then from restricted, you're going to have to change it to anyone with the link. Once you change it, set this as a viewer, not editor. Click on copy button at the top right. Now once your link is copied, profile, and then paste the link over here. Tap on send, and you should be good to go. And if they click on this, they'll be able to view your audio file or listen to it. That's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.